These are 4 game-changing apps for your cleaning business. So it's really important that you leverage technology and software where you can when you grow your business, because software and technology help to automate many of the day-to-day tasks in your business. They will save you time and they will save you money. So it becomes a critical part of your strategy as you grow. So let's jump straight into it. So first of all is telephone software. Many people, when they are starting out in their cleaning business, will use their cell phone for all the day-to-day communications. So maybe they're using their cell number on flyers that they're sending to potential clients, or maybe they're looking to recruit cleaners and they have it on the job ads. And their existing clients will have their number to contact them with changes to the schedule or some checklist items that they want covering on. So the cell phone at the beginning becomes the core part of communication in business. As a very obvious example, if something were to happen to that cell phone, if the cell phone broke or stopped working for whatever reason, there would be no way for clients and cleaners to get in touch with the cleaning business owner. And that is obviously a big risk in the business. So the first step we want to take is to make sure that we sign up with a telephone software company. What the telephone software companies do is essentially they're a piece of software. You go to your laptop or your desktop, you log in, and effectively the software turns your laptop into a telephone platform. So any inbound calls that come into your laptop and it rings, you can make outbound calls through your laptop, you can send text messages, you can receive text messages, all through the portal, all through the dashboard of this telephone software that you're using. And all these calls can get diverted to your cell phone as well, or another phone number, or you can simply take the calls and make the outbound calls through the software itself. So very obviously, what this does by signing up with one of these telephone software businesses is take out the risk of anything happening to your cell phone. Because if you were to lose your cell phone or your cell phone was to get broken, then you still have the login details for your telephone software. You can still log in, you can still make calls, you can still send text messages and receive messages. So your clients and cleaners can still get in touch with you. One of the earliest things you want to be doing in your cleaning business is making sure that you sign up with one of these telephone software companies. There are lots of options out there. Some of the most popular ones are Ring Central, Open Phone is another one, and they both allow you to make and receive calls and to send and receive text messages as well. And you're probably paying in the region of $20 or $30 a month for those services. So this is really, really important. The other thing to say is that it also allows you to have an easy dashboard to see where all your recent calls and text messages that come from. You obviously don't need to be scrolling through your cell phone, which will probably have all your personal messages and personal calls through there as well. So set up with one of those phone software businesses. This will become imperative and extremely important when you start to grow the business, and if you hire a virtual assistant or an office manager, because the beauty of using a telephone software is that as long as you have internet access, anyone anywhere in the world can log into your platform and take and receive calls. So let's say you decide to hire your first virtual assistant and they're based in the Philippines, you're based in the US, many thousands of miles away. Because you have a telephone software login, you could just provide those login details to your virtual assistant based out in the Philippines. And now they can take and receive calls, and now they can send and receive text messages. Obviously, if everything is being used through your cell phone, there is no easy way to be able to hire a virtual assistant and for them to start managing your clients and cleaners. So telephone software is a really important first step. Drop me a comment just with some ideas and some thoughts of which softwares and apps that you guys use in your cleaning business. I'll be really interested to see what you guys use. Second app is interview scheduling software. In this business, when we boil it all down, it's pretty simple. We're trying to find clients on one side and we try to hire cleaners on the other side, and we connect the two as the business owner. However, as those of you that have been in this industry for a little while, you will realize that recruiting high quality cleaners is a big challenge. Generally, it is a numbers game. You will probably have to get lots of applications from a job ad. You'll probably have to hire lots of people. You'll probably have to run lots of interviews to find those real diamond cleaners in amongst all the applicants. So it becomes a numbers game. And this is where it's really important that you try to leverage software as much as possible, because if you put an advert on Indeed, for example, and you receive 100 CVs and you are doing everything manually, you're probably spending a few minutes on each applicant looking through their CVs. If you decide that you want to set up an interview, you probably need to spend another minute emailing them. You have to wait until you hear back from them. Do you chase people that you haven't heard from? For those that you hear back from, then you need to send out some times to arrange a telephone interview. Then you need to make the interview. So you can quickly see that if you have lots and lots of applications and lots of people that you want to interview, if you are doing this completely manually as a business owner, all your time is going to get sucked up arranging this. So this is where interview scheduling software is super important. Again, there are lots of different options. We like Calendly.com. What this software does, it saves a lot of time, automates a lot of this interview booking side of the recruitment process. So if you get an application and you want to interview that person, you can just send them your Calendly link. And what the Calendly link shows an applicant is it basically pops up your calendar and it shows you your availability. So let's say, for example, you want to be running interviews in the afternoons, Monday through Friday. So you can create your calendar in Calendly, and you could have, for example, 15-minute slots from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. As people start booking in, those slots will disappear. The slots remaining will be those that future applicants will be able to book in with you. It saves a lot of this back and forth. When are you available? Can you do this time? Can you do that time? How long will the interview be? All those sorts of questions. You just send them a link to self-schedule in for an interview. And once the interview is scheduled, and you can send over information. This is done all automated. An automated email confirmation is sent to the candidate. You can give them instructions of what happens next. Maybe you can give a brief of the job description again, so they're aware of it. I tend to advise people that you want to get candidates to call you rather than you call candidates. Again, this saves lots of time. People are not picking up phone calls. So you can put all these instructions in that confirmation email as an automated confirmation email. You don't need to manually do any of this type of stuff at all. So this really, really helps to save a lot of time. Get the application in, send out the Calendly invite, the Calendly link, and that is all you need to do. So this will save lots and lots of time. So the second step is getting this Calendly link set up so that you can more efficiently run your interviews. If you guys are finding the content in this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. It really, really helps me. Let's jump on to number 3. So number 3 is booking software. So the booking software really sits at the heart of your cleaning business. So what the booking software does is that we'll have all your clients that have booked with you. It will have all your calendars, all your cleaners, the days of the week and times of the day that they have those specific clients in. You've got your client addresses, their contact details, what service they're signed up for. And most of the booking software now allows your cleaners to log into the software and essentially have their calendar of jobs so that they can list and go through which clients that they have the next few days, the addresses, all those types of things. The first place that many people start off with, if you don't have a lot of money, you don't have many clients and cleaners to begin with, is using a Google Calendar, and you can have a different calendar for every single cleaner. But what you'll find is as you start to get more clients and more cleaners, this type of approach doesn't really cut it anymore. And then you'll need to sign up for one of these booking softwares. But the reality is that these softwares are incredibly valuable. They'll really pay for themselves very quickly. The two softwares that I recommend to all my clients are Zenmaid and Booking Koala. They're the most popular ones in the house cleaning industry, and they've both got free trials. You want to have a look at both. But broadly, they do sort of similar sorts of things. As I said, at the heart of the platform, you've got all your clients listed, days of the week, you've got your calendars, but then these software also do some really effective automation as well. They'll save you time money as well with that, because you do not have to do these types of things manually. So when a client signs up for your service, they'll get an automated confirmation through the booking software. It will tell them, how much the service is, the day and the time. They'll also get a reminder email. Usually you can set that 24 hours before. You can also send out an automated rating email after the service is completed. And the rating email will allow that client to rate your clean from 0 to 5 stars or whatever rating system you use. But then if you are tracking these ratings really closely, that will help you to figure out the quality and control your quality in your cleaning business. There's lots and lots of automation that happen outside of this that make the booking software so helpful and so important. So once we have those 3 core things in place, then we move to point 4, and this is the CRM software. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management Software. So a bit of a mouthful, but essentially what this does is it allows you to bring all your leads for your cleaning business into one place. And these will be people that haven't signed up for software yet. So you may have got a phone call directly, you may have got a quote request from one of your Google ads, or someone has a message through Facebook. So a CRM software will, when used properly, bring all your leads into one place. And the reason why you want to have a CRM software in place is that really what I find is people don't follow up with their leads enough. If someone sends quote request a message and you email them back or message them back, many people, particularly early on, will maybe try once or twice and then give up. But you want to follow up with these leads repeatedly. One of a very common stat that gets talked about a lot in the marketing industry is that a new client needs to see messages from you or see your brand at least 7 times before becoming comfortable with you enough to book service. This is where follow-up becomes so important. So a CRM software should allow you to make calls and log those calls, send emails, send and receive messages. Generally, you want to be doing this every single day for a week before you really start actively following up on those messages, because you'll be amazed at how many people get back to you maybe on day 4 of your follow-up, and they'll just say, I'm really sorry, I got tied up with work. Yes, let's book service. And those people that wouldn't have followed up those times may have lost that potential client. The software that I think is super powerful and by far the best software, the software that I recommend all my clients to use is High Level. In this next video, I'm going to take you through an introduction to High Level CRM. It is a super important part of your cleaning business. And once you've set it up correctly, you'll be able to automate an awful lot of your follow-up, and you'll just pick up more clients. You'll make more money, and ultimately your business will grow quicker. So I'll see you on the next one.